It's about as well as it's going.
I wonder why I need a tone arms.
Well, I have to brake as well.
He's got brakes, so he's just got brakes. So basically, it's like
It's a sad situation.
Me, you just need to say, so when you start braking, you don't.
Oh no.
Excuse me? I got to see if this tow eye fits first.
Oh, thanks. What distance do you want between them?
Don't know.
It's dead. Where are you? Fucking this rusty piece of shit, but hold on. Didn't feel like I caught many threads then, mind you. Hey?
I hope it's clutch.
Nothing.
Just beep if there's a problem, I'll keep the window down. Alright?
Yeah, man. We need some comms. Hello.
Handbrake's off and I'm slightly on the old brake. Yeah, nearly. Yeah, but wow. Yeah, you're tight now.
Yeah, okay. We're waiting for all these cars now, I'll go. Just watch those fucking brakes.
Yeah, I got you. That lovely sexy van in front of me.
Wait, ready?
Yeah.
I'll just pull away on the clutch on this.
Yeah, you're alright. I like how every time my hazards go, my fog light is splashing.
This is the roundabout of death. I was in second gear, came round, admittedly driving rather fast, may have gone for an overtake. Second to third was fine, we were all good. Still maybe a little bit fast, and then third to fourth probably about here, it all sort of went a little bit quiet. And then I had to roll for what felt like an eternity to about this lovely little lay-by around the corner. I was probably doing about 20 at this point, and then the lady that I just overtake came round me. And then we just sort of slid in here and had a little think about life. And that's my story. Oh, look how sorry it feels for itself. Yeah. So I'm just going to check. I had a couple of people message me saying check the clutch cable, but from the old crunchiness of when I let off the clutch, and there's still pressure with the clutch. It's not like the clutch has sort of hit the floor or whatever and gone loose like obviously when we were doing the turbo build. The clutch cable itself, obviously we took it. Well, I took it off, or it was out of the way or whatever. So we're just going to check. See if the clutch cable is still in position, and it is. I don't see why it would have come out. The clutch cable was that little rascal right there, but obviously it's pretty well secure and tight. So we believe it's the clutch. If it is gearbox, it may potentially be the end of its life, but don't know. I don't really know. If it's the clutch, then obviously we needed to upgrade it anyway, because it started to judder and reverse and things. So I knew it was going. but only in reverse, so I assumed that the clutch was wearing only in that direction, if you know what I mean. Don't know. Let me know what you think. A little bit dramatic, you know, more content. I was going to do a couple of how-to videos as well, because they always seem to do really well on the channel. I was trying to think of what I haven't taken off the car yet, so I might squeeze a couple of those in still, just before we finish. But yeah, bit of a bummer really, because like I said, I was on the fence about selling it, but then if I was putting a new clutch in, do I want to sell it straight away? It's a bit crap selling it with fresh parts. We'll see. Let me know what you think down below. This is probably like a 2-minute video, but I hope you guys are all alright. Catch you next time.